In order to investigate the root cause of a process problem in a systematic manner, we will be using the hybrid 5-why analysis tool. The idea is that by asking why 5 or more times, you can delve deeply enough into a problem to understand the ultimate root cause. Open the template from the Analyze section of the DMAIC menu or the Quality Tools section of the Standard menu. Click on the Launch button to open the tool in a new window. Here, you can rename the study and select one of two options, the simplified or the classic version of the tool. We will first open the classic version. The workspace shows a vertical flow diagram with a text box for the failure mode, department or area, or equipment at the top. Below this, you have a series of why questions on the left. For the first why on the left, you can enter the most immediate reason for the occurrence of the problem. The answer to the first why should lead you to ask why a second time, with each answer cascading down to the next why until a potential root cause is identified for analysis. On the right of the whys, there is a defined box where you can enter the temporary countermeasures that will be set in place until the problem is resolved. Once the root cause is identified and fixed, record the permanent measures set up to prevent the occurrence of the problem altogether in the box labeled Permanent Countermeasures. Include the metrics and specifications along with the date they were applied. This will ensure that the process is maintained correctly. Finally, include verification steps to check that the problem does not recur and enter yes or no in the boxes to document. This template is also customizable, allowing you to change the headings or add additional boxes as necessary. Next, let's explore the simplified version. Here you see a flow showing the failure mode or problem statement on the left and each of 5 successive text boxes containing the whys leading up to it. Below the flowchart, you have some defined boxes to enter the temporary and permanent countermeasures for the problem. This template also allows you a lot of flexibility, so you can customize your analysis with additional boxes or annotations. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.